Alright, up to speed here. Okay, what we have here. Okay, we have a I don't know if you can see that. This is a I forgot the name of this. necree RGB. What's nice about this RGB, it has the resistor built into the red, and the rest don't, but you can put the resistors in if you need to. Red's going to be your positive, then you got your blue, red, and green negative leads right here. So that's where we're at with that. Okay, then I wired up the recharge port. I should have used a different color here. You got your two positives. Okay, one's going to go to the battery, the other's going to go to the board. Okay, but they go to the same leg, so it doesn't really matter which one's which. Okay, then you have two negatives. One goes to the battery. I have them poorly written and labeled here. This is battery, and the other one goes to the board. Okay, so that's the recharge port right there. Okay, we're working on the switch right now. I don't know if you can see this. Switch has positive and negative, and then there's the switch. Okay, so the positive and negative are for the lights, and then these two are for the switch itself. One's going to go to the switch, which is the switch port, which is this one. The other one's going to go to the negative, which is this one. Okay, then I have to wire up these two leads. We're going to do negative and black and positive and green for the light, except I'm only going to hook the negative up for now. Alright, get my soldering iron fired up. This thing's great, heats up in seconds. Sorry, too much stuff going on here, too many projects. Gonna need this, gonna need this. So here's my green, I need my black. I need a couple negatives. We're gonna do about the same length here. Alright, we're heated up. I'm gonna just tin these guys.
I'm going faster than an ostrich.
There we go. Tin that up. Tin this one up. A little bit too much. That extra is not going to work, so get rid of it. Now we need the green. There's some tins. Tinned up nicely. Clean that off. Alright. Best soldering iron ever, by the way. Alright. Let me get my helping hands real quick. I'm gonna pause this. Okay, back. Had to get my helping hands real quick. Alright. So negative's gonna go to negative here. So we need my...
This is for you, Dad.
No, thank you. Appreciate the offer though. I'm gonna pinch here, make it easier. Alright.
Who do you want to eat this one?
Oh, dropped a wire here. Alright, dropped another one. Okay, negative's gonna go to negative. So we're gonna go black on negative here. Need to retin this. It's not very well tinned. There we go. Now it's tinned. Hopefully you guys can see this. There we go. Alright. Now I need my green. This side will be easier because I can actually see it. This should be on pretty good. Not my favorite joint right there. Whoa, not good. That's how we break it. Stay. Alright, we need some shrink wrap. Just the red ones. I have them laying here. That, won't lose that. Alright, so then we put the black shrink wrap on here. Alright, and we're going to put green
down here. Use the soldering iron just to melt it a little bit. Tighten that up. Both sides. Oh. Oh, that was my finger. There's my finger again. Get that out here for you so you just face pencil it.
Alright. There we go. Switch is wired up. Whites are the actual switch. And you got your positive for your light, negative for your light. No.
Please.
No.
I won't have
Sorry,
all
good.
of it.
Alright. We're going to just give this a little twist. So this stays together a little bit. Makes it easier to coil back in. If you don't mind me. Alright, I'm gonna grab some electrical tape too. Alright, one of the mistakes I did is I forgot to twirl these. Let's see if we can get some twirling going here. Except I don't think I have any electrical tape over here. Have to grab some. There. Alright, we'll put a little electrical tape right there. And then we'll put some down right there. That'll make it easy. Be right back.